Every single day you are faced with two choices: stay the same or become better. And the truth is, the difference between who you are today and who you want to be tomorrow is hidden in the decisions you make right now. Most people never change their lives, not because they can't, but because they choose comfort over growth. They choose excuses over effort. They choose to wait for the perfect time that never comes. But if you want to achieve greatness, you must stop waiting. You must start now. The journey to success begins the moment you take responsibility for your life. No more blaming others. No more waiting for luck. No more hoping someone will save you. You are the author of your story, and only you can decide how it ends. Yes, it will be hard. Yes, you will face failure. Yes, there will be days when nothing seems to work. But every challenge you face is preparing you. Every setback is teaching you. Every struggle is building the strength you need to rise higher. Think about a seed. It must be buried in darkness before it can rise into the light. That's you. Right now, you may feel buried under problems, doubts, or pain. But you're not buried. You're being planted. And when you refuse to quit, you will rise stronger, taller, and more powerful than you ever imagined. Stop telling yourself you're not ready. Stop saying you're not good enough. Stop living in fear of what could go wrong. You are ready. You are enough. And the only thing stopping you is the story you keep telling yourself. Change the story. Tell yourself you can. Tell yourself you will. Tell yourself that no matter how many times you fall, you will rise again. Because winners are not the ones who never fail. Winners are the ones who never quit. So, the next time you feel like giving up, remind yourself why you started. Remember the dream that set your soul on fire. Remember the life you want to create. Let that vision push you forward when your strength is gone. Your future self is waiting for you. And one day that version of you will thank you for not quitting today. But it all starts now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when it's easy. It starts now, with you, with this decision, with this moment. So rise up, take action, push forward, and never ever forget. You have the power to change your life. The question is, will you choose to use it?